she go psycho?
She will do.
Max. She's just eating it.
Yeah, she does. It's weird. Max, get over it.
See her shiny eyes.
Max, Max.
Good, Jess.
Spaced out.
The other day, I think I gave her too much because one eye was bigger than the other. It was so stunning. Max, get out of it.
Looking, her head's going.
Close the doors so we've got the cats in.
She didn't look at you.
I know, she won't come in, but Jessie.
Sweetie.
The other night, Robin put it up on top of the fire.
Max,
She
go away.
rolled over and fell in the log basket. Rolled off. She's getting inside it.
I think it's driving Max a bit doolally as well.
Oh, he's jealous because he wants his toy.
Max, move out of the way.
Right, well, you're not doing anything, Robin, you're just fiddling.
Yeah?
You pop round, get me lot of tickets.
I think it was
I'm
coming.
finishing off.
That's what that,
Part.
what's
The
it
reason
called?
it starts,
Smile
yeah.
recognition, isn't it? Have you used it yet?
Face recognition.
No, smile recognition.
Oh yeah, it's face recognition. Here she goes.
Wompy. I've got that
Sit right.
to cover it for the escort as well.
Alright.
Should get the back of there because my whole finding bits and pieces for bloody lights because the brackets weren't there.
We can make a sign that and put on it for sale.
Yeah. Robin.
She's got a lump of take that lump of string out of her mouth.
She's up here.
You spaced out.
think he wants his DOY. What do you want? What do you want?
I'll take them. So jealous.
Don't even know why that is.
Where do you even get like dog nip?
So let them sniff the bag.
What's in there? What's it? Wait. Look at this.
It's sending him a bit schizo.
Thanks. Thanks. Do you want to sit? Sit. 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 Get in.
Bless you.
I'm hallucinating now, actually. Give her a bit on the stairs.